There are many different ways you can use the verb phrase go through. Here are some examples. You can go through a place. You can go through an airport. You can go through a city.
We are on Western Avenue heading south. I'm about to make a left turn on, I think it's Berwyn.
You can go through a town. You can go through a tunnel. You can go through school, if you have an experience with school. You can go through college. You can go through military training. You can go through a class. You can go through a course. You can go through an English course. Go through has many different meanings. An experience is something that you go through. You can go through difficulty. She's going through a difficult time right now. Here's the main verb, go. This is in the present continuous tense. And then here's the preposition. She's experiencing some difficulty. She's going through a difficult time right now. If you have some idea about another person's experience or can relate to another person's experience, then you can say something like this: I know what you are going through. You can use go through for a period in your life. You go through childhood, or go through adolescence, or you go through adulthood, and towards the end you go through old age. These are periods of your life that you go through. If a person doesn't seem to understand your experience, then you can say this: you have no idea what I'm going through. You could say, you have no idea what I went through to, and then here's an infinitive to end the sentence. You have no idea what I went through to do this. Here's the infinitive. You have no idea what I went through to get here. You have no idea what I went through to get here. This might express some difficulty with traveling. You can use go through when you're looking for something. I have to go through my desk to find something that I need. Or I have to go through my closet to get rid of old clothes. You can go through a newspaper to look for information or something interesting to read. As I was going through my closet, and there's a comma here, I found a shirt I wanted to wear. She went through her purse to find her keys. So she looked through or looked for her keys in her purse.
I'm going through this drawer to try to find a potato peeler. Here it is.
You can use go through when something is approved. The application went through. My credit card payment went through. Your request for a loan went through. This means it was approved. To make it negative, just change this to didn't go. Your request for a loan didn't go through. It didn't go through. It wasn't approved. To say that something was approved, all you have to say is it went through. The negative form is it didn't go through. To go through something is also to use it up, whatever that is. We went through all of our, and then here would be the thing that you went through. We went through all of our cash. We went through all of our milk. We went through all of our food. We went through all of our money, or we went through all of our savings. In this case, go through is often used with money, but you can also use it for food. How long does it take you to go through, and then you can use some form of food here. How long does it take you to go through a loaf of bread? So how long does it take you to eat the bread? How long does it take you to go through the bread? How long does it take you to go through a gallon of milk? How long does it take you or your family to drink a gallon of milk? How long does it take you to go through a gallon of milk?